In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Toggl Track to Chrome. If you're looking for a simple way to keep tabs on your work without juggling extra windows, adding the Toggl Track extension to Google Chrome is a quick win. You'll be able to start and stop timers right from your browser, and even see tracking options appear inside many of the tools you already use. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. With Chrome ready, head to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for Toggl Track, Productivity and Time Tracker. You should see the official Toggl Track extension appear in the results. Go ahead and click Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will ask you to confirm. Click Add Extension to continue. Chrome may show you a brief note about what permissions the extension needs so it can place a timer in supported sites. Confirm, and the installation will begin. This only takes a moment. When the extension finishes installing, you'll see a notification, and the Toggl Track icon will be available in your browser's toolbar. If you don't immediately see it, that just means it's tucked away. Click the little puzzle icon at the top right of Chrome to open your extensions menu. Find Toggl Track in the list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps it visible so you can access the timer with a single click anytime you're working. Now click the Toggl Track icon in your toolbar. A small window will open asking you to log in. Sign into your account using your usual method. Once you're in, you're ready to track your time directly from Chrome. Here's what you've just enabled. The extension adds a handy timer inside Chrome so you can start, pause, and stop tracking without switching tabs or hunting for another app. It also works with more than 100 popular apps and websites, so in many places, you'll notice a small Toggl Track button right where you're working. That means you can capture time on tasks as you go, which helps keep your records accurate and your focus on the work in front of you. To recap, you opened Chrome, went to the Chrome Web Store, searched for Toggl Track, clicked Add to Chrome, confirmed by selecting Add Extension, pinned the extension from the puzzle icon, and then clicked the Toggl Track icon to log in. That's all it takes to bring fast, reliable time tracking into your browser.